Good afternoon, family. How's everybody doing on this Saturday? Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderfully blessed day. Man, I hope you guys had a fulfilling, love filled, wonderfully blessed time with your loved ones, your friends, family, whoever you hung out with on this Thanksgiving. Most importantly, hopefully, you had a safe time. This is your boy Jaime G, and you guys already know what time it is. Your boy's about to drop you some Doge and some overall crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel, maybe you can consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, turn it on to all so you can be notified at all times when I come through with developing and breaking news. Right, I appreciate you guys as viewers just stopping by my channel and checking it out if you aren't a subscriber. All right, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. Please don't ever take it as so. It's just your boy sharing his thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, you guys ready to find out what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto land on this Saturday? Well, what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the markets and see what's crackling. All right. Ooh, excuse me. All right, guys. Bitcoin's at 54,753.47 cents. We are up 1% for the day. The markets are overall mixed, guys. You got some green, you got some red, right, guys? So it's it's mixed. You got a little bit of both, right? You know what I mean? Bitcoin is still kind of struggling, right? But at least we're not sitting at 53K, guys. But I don't think the bull runs over. All right, we're just consolidating, doing our thing. Now we're gonna hit that 98,000, like Plan B said, by the end of November. Highly unlikely, guys, but I still think we are gonna continue to push up. You know what I mean? Until the end of this year, I think we will create another all-time high. But that's just my opinion, right? All right, guys. Enough of Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with the main superstar of my channel, which is Dogecoin. Right, we are still ranked number 10. Right, we're on the top 10, still barely hanging on by a loose tooth, but we're still here, guys. We're currently sitting at 20 cents right now, guys. We are up 1.9%. Our 24-hour low was 0.2024 for the day, and 24-hour high was 0.2096, almost 21 cents, guys. Market cap is sitting at 27.10 billion. And volume is ridiculously low. Once again, it is at 897.58 million. Right, we dropped below $1 billion once again. Right, it just sucks, right? Because there's always more volatility, and that just goes for the weekends. There's always more volatility and always less trading volume, right? So, all right, guys, enough of the stats. Let's dive into the charts and see what's going on, right? Because I'll keep it real. Things aren't looking too good right now on the charts as far as the daily chart goes, right? We're looking kind of bearish, right? We got a lot of bearish technical. We got some bearish things going on for us as far as the daily charts go, okay, guys? So, first things first, let's talk about this pink line, okay? This is an ascending trend line, okay, guys? And we've been staying above this trend line for quite some time, man. For about 2 months, we had been staying above this ascending trend line, okay? But as of 3 days ago, when we had this major dip or correction, right, when everybody was panicking over this whole new variant that is coming out of South Africa, right? The stock markets tanked, not tanked, but corrected big time, and so did the overall crypto markets, right? So you could see this big daily red candle, and we dipped below this pink ascending trend line, right? And we have stayed below it ever since. Okay, so that is the first bearish technical we got going on. Now the second bearish technical we got going on. Okay, so as you can see, right, I have two yellow lines. That is a descending channel, right? We've been bouncing in this descending channel for 2.5 weeks, right? We've been bouncing through this channel like this, right? Now, as you can see right here, right, the day before this big red candle, let me get rid of that circle real quick, guys. Sorry. The day before the red candle, right, and on my previous videos, I was mentioning that we were coming to the end of this descending channel, right, and that I believe that we were going to possibly break to the upside. But, we had this big old panic and panic sell, right? And we dipped below it, as you can see right here, right? We dipped below right here, right? We dipped below this descending channel, which is bearish, and now we're struggling to bounce back up. As you can see, the day before candle, right, is indecisive. I was hoping that we were gonna bounce to the upside, right, and that's what I was saying, that in my opinion, I thought was gonna happen. But we had this panic selling in the overall markets, right? So now we are struggling to just stay between 19 and 21 cents, right? That's where we're pretty much consolidating is between 19 and 21 cents. All right, so that is the other bearish technicals that we got going on, right? We dipped to the downside out of this descending channel, right? So those are some bearish technicals. And then the third one is we dipped below our level of support. Support was at 22 cents. Now our support is our resistance, right? And that is also a bearish technical. So we have three bearish technicals going for us right now, guys. You know what I mean? So I'll keep it real, and that's what it is. All right, so now we have resistance coming in, or support is coming in, guys, at the 19 cents, which is the blue mark here, okay, guys, that you see, right? That is support coming in at 19 cents. Now, our resistance, guys, is coming in at 22 cents, right? Or 21 cents, rather, which is this white line that you see right here, right above, okay? So that is our new level of support, in my opinion. As you can see, we were support that was acting as support. You know, it's 0.2183, which is close to about 22 cents, right, guys? So actually 22 cents. I'm going to say 22 because it's closer to 22 cents, guys. So as of lately, we're bouncing between 19 and 22 cents. All right, guys. So just keep an eye on those levels, 19 and 22 for support and resistance. All right, guys. Now enough of the yip yapping on the charts. I was a little longer than I wanted to be on the charts, so sorry about that. Now let's dive into some overall Doge news, and then we'll get into some crypto news if we have enough time. Now, this is out of Benzinga. Says unconfirmed. Dogecoin whale address holding 30% of Doge wallet is Robinhood, right? And a lot of us already were speculating that it was either Robinhood or Elon Musk, right? But come to find out, more than likely it is Doge, right? Now it says the address holding about 28% of Dogecoin's total supply must probably belong to Robinhood, not Elon Musk. Now it says what happened. It says a recent investigation led by the Doge community linked the wallet behind the Robinhood's 420.69 Doge wallet test transaction to the famous Dogecoin whale wallet, currently holding 4.1 billion Doge, equivalent to about $892 million, but previously held as much as 36.7 billion Doge. Right, guys? Because obviously Robinhood is coming out with a new crypto wallet, right, where you can move, either remove or add, crypto assets such as Dogecoin to the wallet, right? And they used 420.69 Doge, right? So that's how they were able to do it, like it says. Now it says Dogecoin dedicated Twitter profiler Misha Obar explained that the following the trail started from the first test transaction by Robinhood. We can go back in the time and confirm that the current largest Dogecoin wallet and associates wallets are Robinhood's cold wallet. He exclaimed that whale holding is hoarding 30%. It's you, right? So basically it's us, guys, right? You know what I mean? Now it says reports earlier made speculated that the brokerage platform is the Dogecoin whale and described as a mutual bar as yet another confirmed, right? So basically, guys, it's basically a lot of retail investors, right? So it's our wallet in return, like they were saying here, right? Now, is this a positive catalyst? No, but it's just some overall Doge news that I wanted to share with you guys. You know what I mean? So for those of you that might not know, you know what I mean? So that's what I like to do on this channel, guys, is, give you guys a bunch of information so you don't have to go do it yourself. I mean, you always want to go do your own research, right, guys? But you can come to this channel and you get informed with a lot of developing and breaking news. All right, now this here is a positive catalyst, guys, right? That can also act as a catalyst to help push the price of Doge up. Now it says whales are buying Dogecoin according to smart contract activity. It says the smart contract activity is one of the indirect ways to determine the number of actions that take place on chain of one or another asset. In the case of Dogecoin, it entered the top 10 most actively used smart contracts on the Ethereum chain. Now, according to the data provided, Doge took 7th place among the most actively interacted smart contracts on the chain, right? So basically 1 out of 10, they ranked number 7 on most activity, which is a positive catalyst, guys. Now it says the meme coin shared top coins with coins like Binance Smart Chain, USDC, and Chia Coin. Now it says Dogecoin is on the top of the most smart contracts by the top 1,000 BSC wallets. Now, whales are buying the dips. How about you, Doge Army? Right, guys? So now this is a positive thing, right? For 2 reasons. One, right, we have whales obviously buying the dip, right? They're not panic selling. They're buying the dip, taking an opportunity to buy low and hopefully sell high. And two, it can act as a positive catalyst for the price of Doge, right, in the near foreseeable future. Now, it says the usage of smart contracts usually implies increased buying activity, since in order to utilize a coin's smart contract, users have to own a certain amount of tokens or coins. While Doge on-chain data suggests that more people are starting to use it, the market data suggests the opposite. According to TradingView, Doge trading pairs lost up to 10% of their value at today's low. Okay, it's just giving you the price. All right, guys. So, you know what I mean? So, this can act as a positive catalyst for the price of Doge. You know what I mean? So, I just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, guys. Enough of the Doge. That's what I had as far as Doge goes. Now, let's dive into some overall crypto market news. We're going to go down the line really quick, guys, because already been in 10 minutes. Thank you for being with me. Now, it says Bitcoin addresses tops 40 million, right, guys? So that is a good thing, right? That just means that more and more people are continuously buying Bitcoin, whether it's dipping or not, right? They're buying the dip, right? And I just wanted to briefly share that with you. I'm not going to dive into the article, right? So now let's continue to go. Now, another good one here, right? Now it says buy the dip. Bitcoin whales accumulate over 2.36 billion in Bitcoin after price drop. Now it says Bitcoin whales, defined as addresses over a cluster of addresses holding between 100 and 10,000 Bitcoins, have reportedly accumulated a whopping 2.36 billion worth of the flagship cryptocurrency after its price started dropping, data shows. Now, according to cryptocurrency analytics firm Sentiment, Bitcoin was accumulated about 40,000 Bitcoins. Okay, not $40,000 worth, guys. 40,000 Bitcoins when Bitcoin's price dropped to a 56,000 low last week. Considering, now says whales have accumulated well over 2.3 billion of the cryptocurrency. According to Sentiment, whales took advantage of the price driven by a bearish sentiment to keep on accumulating more Bitcoin. Now, guys, why is this important? Because, man, it goes to show you, man, you got to buy in the red and sell in the green. You want to buy low, sell high. So anytime there's a dip, you always want to take advantage, right? And look at it as a sale, right? But the human mind, we want to buy in the green and sell in the red, right? We want to buy when things are going up, and we want to sell when it's red because, oh, it's going down, it's in the red, I want to sell it, right? The human mind thinks the opposite. Why? I don't know. I'm not a freaking psychiatrist or anything like that, but it just that's how it goes. But it just goes to show you guys, crypto's not going anywhere. People are buying the dip. You got whales continuously accumulating. Now, if they thought that this wasn't going to go anywhere, why are they going to spend billions and millions of dollars on an asset that they believe is going to go back down to zero? It's the beginning stages of cryptocurrency, like I continue to tell you guys. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. Now, this is what this guy says right here too, right? Now, it says, payment founder, crypto. My phone's gonna die, guys. I better hurry up. Now it says Paytm founder says crypto is here to stay and will become mainstream in 5 years. Now, who is this guy? Now it says payment founder, right? It says Vijay, the founder of Payment, said at a virtual conference organized by the Indian Chamber of Commerce Thursday that cryptocurrency is here to stay. Now, Payment is an Indian multinational technology company that specializes in digital payments, right? The company completed its initial profit IPO last week. Then he goes on to say, I'm very positive about crypto. It is fundamentally based on cryptography and will be mainstream technology in a few years, like the internet, which is now part of daily life, right? He says every government is confused. In 5 years, it will be mainstream technology. I agree as well, guys, just like the internet, right? The government and everybody else was like, this is, a fad, it's a bubble, it's going to burst, right? Then the government and everybody else that didn't believe in the internet in the beginning stages didn't think that the internet was going to be where it's at now, guys. What's the same thing with crypto, guys? We are in the very beginning, and I have an article, and I'm going to make a video dedicated just on that, right? But all right, guys, this is what your boy had for you on this Saturday afternoon, man. Hopefully it was informative, helpful, and insightful. If it was, guys, please consider to like and subscribe. Oh, one more, guys. I'm going to close out with this one right here. Now, it says Bitcoin is up 88% in 2021 despite turbulent markets. Like they always say, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. You know what I mean? I should have put this one in the very beginning. All right, guys. So if you would have invested in Bitcoin in January, in the beginning of the year, when it was at 29,000 and rode it to its all-time high, you would have been in 88% profit, guy, or more than 88. Now it's saying 88% profit as the price of where it's at right now, right, guys? But if you would have held all the way till 68K when it hit its all-time high, and sold, then you would have made out like a bandit. All right, guys, this is what your boy had. I promise you I'm done now, guys. Thank you if you stayed with me to the end. Stay safe and stay blessed, guys. Until tomorrow, your boy Jaime G is out. Stay tuned. Peace.